All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 2nd, 2023. Here to talk about Apecoin to see this particular cryptocurrency can 3x over the next couple of months. You guys can see that we've been on a pretty good move to the upside in Apecoin, but so far the market is getting hung up right around a point of resistance around $1.40. Will the market be able to break it? Because if Apecoin is able to 3x, that means that the price will be up there around $4 per ape. Now look at where price currently is right now in Apecoin. Do you think it really has enough momentum as of today to run all the way up there to $4? Currently, in my opinion, I think it doesn't. Not right now. We would have to see the market in Apecoin really maintain a consolidational trading channel to build up enough energy to actually break that market up to that particular level. So am I telling you that it's not happening, or it won't happen, or it can happen? No, I'm not saying that. I think it's going to take a little bit more energy though. And one of the first hurdles that the market will have to do is to break this area of resistance around $1.40. It will have to do that first. And currently we can see over the last couple of trading days that the market buyers has been doing that. They've been holding price. All of the sellers who are here into the market in Apecoin, or those who are currently shorting the market because they see that $1.40 is resistance, those buyers needs to take those people out in order for this market to continue to be bullish and continue to move to the upside. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the current price prediction that we did. We was already anticipating that the market in Apecoin is going to go higher. It definitely has exceeded our expectations, 7.39% there, which was garnered from October the 21st. To get out the market now in Apecoin, we'll be up 25 3/4. Something that we did talk about. We just wanted to see the market buyers break this last area of resistance, which was around $1.20. They did that. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the current idea into the market in Apecoin. First things first, we are still bullish currently in the market in Apecoin. You can actually see that currently as well, that right now price is breaking away from the trend. Okay, so will this market in Apecoin find resistance now and then come down and test this trend line, or will the market just completely break above this resistance area and continue to go higher and be on this massive breakout? Here it is on the 2-day time frame. Each of these 2-day price bars is letting you know that the sellers currently is impacting the buyers. 13 more hours left on this current 2-day price bar. A lot of volume is coming through. Currently the market's closing higher than the previous 2 days, which tells us that there's still buying going on. 3-day chart. This is a probable precursor of strength. The market needs to, in the next 3 days, once it's finished printing, close higher than this current 3-day price bar. Take a look at Apecoin on the 5-day chart. Here it is on the weekly. The weekly chart looks pretty good right now. This last printed weekly price bar, that's decent. Current one is giving us another probable precursor of strength. So kind of the moment that we're in right now looks like we're in a wait and see period, but the longer in time you go out, the more bullish this currency looks. Right there on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame for October. This is what the month of October, the price action for Apecoin, this is how it ended. You can see the volume came in higher than the previous month of September. The market closed higher than the prior month. Let us know that sellers did come into the market in Apecoin. Okay, here it is on the 330-minute chart. Do you think the market is bullish or bearish right now? What about on the 1 hour? Here it is on the 7. You guys can see right here on the 7-hour bar, with this high volume, those buyers still came through. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the volume down there. The volume, the market closed at the high of the bar. They're trying to break above 140. The buyers definitely are trying to do that. I say that because of these 7-hour bars. This one, and this one. All of these bars is letting us know, hey, those buyers are trying to keep the market propped up, keep it from falling further, and that they're actually trying to take out those sellers at $1.40. Let's look at this on a 13-hour chart. Let's look at Apecoin on the 11. Okay, so I still think the price in Apecoin is bullish. I still think that the market is attempting to go higher, but will it do it right now? I'm not going to tell you that. But I do think it's trying to move up to the upside. So that's going to be my price prediction in the market for Apecoin. We're going to anticipate that even though we do acknowledge that currently the market is getting hit with selling, that those buyers will overcome that selling as long as price in Apecoin doesn't fall back down below $1.20, preferably no lower than this trend line. We don't want to see the price break below that. Now let's get to the targets. Let's say that those buyers are able to take the sellers out in Apecoin. Where do you think the next area of selling will occur? Well, I'm looking right around this particular area here as a first target. So you can see that it's around 12.43% there. And then my second target will be towards the highs of these days. And take us to like $1.64, which is like 22% move to the upside there. Okay. I might do like one in between 150 and 165. Like this second one in between would be like around here. Around 157, 157. All right, so this is where we at currently. First thing we need to do is see if those buyers will be able to break above $1.40. That's the first job that we need to see have happen. They need to let that market break above. If it doesn't, we will come back down, which in actuality, I wouldn't even be surprised because we've already seen a great run into the market in Apecoin already. So we may actually see a small dip initially, but as long as the market doesn't break this trend line, you already know. All right, so give me a heads up. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.